Are you waiting for Athena? Huh? You waiting for your squirrel friend? Are you gonna let her come visit? You better. I love you. Athena. Oink oink. I love these little guys. Waiting for Athena the squirrel. Good morning, Athena. Pee pee. Good girl. You like to look out the window, huh? Yeah. Doing your big dope, huh? You're looking out the window too? Good boy. Behave. Berry, berry, berry. We'll call you Fuzzberry today. Huh? Oh, Fuzzy. Baby, baby. You're so pretty. Good job. Good boy, Mo. Good girl, Berry, berry. You're gonna go poop for me? Gonna ask everybody for poops? Huh? I'm like the poop fairy. Good boy. All right, Mojo, you gotta slow down. Roo's legs aren't as long, and I'm not sure she has knees, so. Oh. Good girl. Good boy, Mojo. Hey.